This was a very big event for us.
Looking back at the damage the wicked windstorm left behind.
With this one, you can see the wires are down, big trees over them.
Was Vermont Electric Co-op's way of showing FEMA all the cleanup and repairs that come at a high price.
This is a very expensive storm for Vermont Electric. We're estimating the total cost of the storm to be over $2.1 million.
Federal officials have been making their rounds across the state this week, checking out the many hard-hit areas.
We want to make sure and we see all the damage that the state wishes us to see and to show us, and we're prepared to stay as long as we can to accomplish that.
At its peak, 17,000 customers lost power.
Blue, see this darker shade of blue? That is Vermont Electric's service territory.
The company serves 8 counties in northern Vermont.
And we had damages in all 8.
If FEMA approves the funding, VTrans will get the process rolling.
We distribute it to the towns and to Vermont Electric Co-op, folks like that.
Vermont officials have identified more than $4.5 million in damage statewide. To qualify for the federal money, FEMA must verify at least $1 million in damage. In Johnson, Helena Battipaglia, NBC 5 News.